Hello, this is now part 2 of lab number 7. In this particular approach, we will be using the data. Okay, so data, and then look for data analysis within your analysis group, data analysis, and then look for histogram there, and then press OK. In this particular case, when you do the histogram, you are looking only for that particular numeric range. How many times a particular item or a number. So histogram is very much applicable only for the analysis of numbers. So in this particular case, we look at the amount. Let's look for the amount just so we can have a differentiation of them. All right. All right, there. And then we say it has labels. All right. Or we can remove the labels. We start here, the number. All right. There. And then, in terms of the bin range, we have to make that very explicit. Here, we are saying that the bin range is from 1 to 2000 SR. So the bin, actually, the bin, let me just remove that again. Let's explain here. Bin means upper mark. So that means, to translate this, you say 2000, and then here it is 4000, and then this is 8000. That's it. And so that's the bin. It's the upper bin. So let us repeat this. Data analysis, histogram, okay, and then we go for the input range. The input range would be from here up to here, and for the bin range, it will be from here up to there. No label. Output range, where do you want the output range to be? The output range could be placed somewhere here. And we put a check mark on the chart output just to have a view what it will be. All right, so I think we are ready. Let's go. So you see here, beyond 8000 would be 4. Beyond 8000 would be 4. You see, this is the bin, this is the histogram now, the frequency. And 4000, there are 8. So that's how we make use of the data analysis and histogram. Try to analyze this further using your, let's say, the kilogram. So for the nice thing about this in the analysis of numbers is that you can vary the bin. It's not like in the pivot table, you're fixed to 2000, to every 2000. Here I can do something like this. Let me do it on the kilogram. On the kilogram, you can say, this is another example now. Bin upper kg, kilogram. You can have here now 5 kg, and then 25 kg, and then 50 kg. So that's a different, right? 20, 25, and then we have here 100 kg now. So they are of different sort of ranges. Now let me do this. Data analysis, histogram. I hope that's clear. And then we have here you have to change this, all of this. So let's go back. We are now looking at the kg, so like that. Press there, here, look at here, there. Okay, and chart output like that, and the output will be, no, I would like to change this output to output range. Should be let's say here, just so, F46, yeah, and then press OK. See, I can vary it, so even the ranges. So that's the advantage of using this approach. And you can have the histogram as well. By the way, histogram, the arrangement of histogram from left to right arranges the graph from left to right based on the bin numbers. Based on the bin numbers. Okay, there is another graph which arranges the graph from left to right, but based on the frequency value, but which we are not going to take up at this point. But I just want to remind you about that. And so we'll end this lecture here, and hopefully you'll be getting these spreadsheets on top of this lecture. Okay, thank you.